just showered and done my hair and got dressed. Today is Saturday, so I've got a client's hair to be doing. I don't even know if I will be recording just like I did with the yesterdays, but yeah, if I don't record then you're probably gonna see me like getting ready to go out and eat. I've just done my face. It's just like a simple thing that I do. I'll probably post a video one day since I get a lot of compliments on my skin and how it's always glowy and clear, which I don't really do the most, so that's fine. I can make a video for that. I'm just wearing like a simple dress that says Vogue, I think. I'm just gonna go right now and have breakfast. It is currently 10:25 and my client is gonna come at 12, so I'm gonna get ready. I behave just besides. I've gave, like slaves, what's my life trying? My brains in the meaty, keep my heart to the meaty, kill you try. I changed myself to impress you, I lost myself just to be who you wanted, nobody wanna. But I didn't listen, I was trapped in love, had to unlove, food destroy, try. You be saying, mami te quiero mucho, you be moving local, you have no value, maribocha, wishes spoil like Pluto.
Hey guys, so we just finished eating and now we're on our way to go back home. Today was a beautiful day and the food was amazing. I'm sure you guys saw it and it was amazing. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.